Hi. So I'm doing Jeffree Star and Morphe. This is, I know people keep saying Morphe x Jeffree Star, but it's Morphe by Jeffree Star. Should it not be Jeffree Star by Morphe? The X is by, like when you're multiplying like 2 by 2 or like 4 by 4. You know what I mean? Anyway, I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on this palette. I know a lot of people have struggles with Morphe's quality. I've only used their eyeshadow palettes and all of them have worked really well for me. I bought the 35B way back in the day. I think I was like 14 maybe. Or like 15, I'm not sure. I really enjoyed it. I've always really enjoyed their qualities. They pack a punch in my opinion. And you'll see in some of the clips that when I take it and start packing it on my crease or in my lid, you get a nice punch of color. And they blend nicely, so I've never had a problem with Morphe's quality. I apologize if you have, because that sucks. You spend your money on something, you want it to work, but I really enjoy this palette. I think the color scheme's nice. I was able to come up with a lot of looks extremely easily. I didn't struggle creating any of the looks, so that was a major bonus. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay, so diving right into it here, this is more of a smoky look. I really enjoyed these 3 colors I used. In all of the looks, I used for my brow bone the second row, first column color. I can't remember what it's called, but it's right under the top left color. I like doing that just so that it's nice and bright. And I really like how that smoky eye turned out. Don't mind that little bit of pink that you see peeking through. That is from the staining from previous colors. Just because I don't always put these clips in order. Like sometimes I'll put the last one I do as the first in the video. You know what I mean? I just like to switch it up. And sometimes I'm really, really happy with a look and I want it to be like the first one people see. That's the one I put on my brow bone every time. And I like this one because this is like a super bright forest green, and then it does also have that olive green on the inner crease, so I really like that. I almost always use my finger with shimmers. Do what you want, but I find it just... People always ask me why I use my finger, and I'm like, because I want a finger swatch on my eye. You know what I mean? They're your best tools, they're your most useful tools, and the most reliable. You'll always have them on hand. And unless you, like, lose a finger, but I'm sorry for your loss. Like, I used to do it on clients. I would just sanitize between clients, wash my hands and sanitize between clients. I find it just super useful, and it warms the product to your skin. It's just really nice. Like, I don't do face products with my fingers really because I don't want to, on myself I do, but on clients I never did because I used to not want to break people out or anything like that. Some people get broken out from very minimal touching, so I avoid that. avoided that when I worked as a makeup artist. How's everyone been doing? I've been doing really good. We talked about it in the last video, if you guys went and seen that. I've been posting. Oh, I also opened up my Twitter as well too. I have my Twitter on lock, but I opened it up. So if you wish to go see that, it's the same username, Body for Days, B0DY for DAYZ. Because a bitch is big and I got body for days, weeks, months, and years. Like, look at that. I really enjoy that. It's a nice bright color. And I like this because I put the gold shimmer on the inner lid and the pink shimmer on the outer lid. And when you turned, or when I turned, I should say, when I turned, it looked almost duochromatic. So I thought that was really cool. And I do it here, I think. Yeah, you can kind of see. So there is that. This one, the inspiration was Swamp Water. I know, I could take inspiration from literally anything. I don't know why I do that. I've always done that ever since I've been young. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna take inspiration from Mystery Meat. Anyway. See how there's a bit of staining on my eye? That doesn't bother me though. 'Cause YOLO. Loved these two as well too. I didn't realize I left such a long clip of me blending this out. But look at that pink. I really enjoyed that pink. Yeah, I have to admit, I don't really know why Jeffree did a collab with Morphe. I think he owns part of it maybe. But like when you have your own makeup brand, like why do a collab elsewhere? You know? And I think the shimmer I used on that one was the pink one in the top. I think it was like, you know how it goes, welcome back to my channel, wand noise. I think it was my or two. One of those was the pink one I used. Yeah, I don't really know why you would do this. I know, obviously, it's an excellent financial opportunity. But whatever. Not my monkey, not my circus. And I really liked this one as well too. This kind of orangey creamsicle look. Something different for myself. Sorry it took me so long to get this out, by the way. I've been super busy hanging out with family and stuff, but going out lots. If you've seen on Instagram, I've been posting some of my newest model shots, photography sessions. But anyway, I will be posting a lot more because I really enjoyed them. So go check it out. I hope to shoot with that photographer more. Hi, Lindsay, if you watch this, love you. Oh, this is kind of a creamsicle inspired too. This was more like tigery. I thought of Chester from the Cheetos. Anyway. What the fuck ever. I think that's it. Yep. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.